I call that done, and I call it delicious. Hey everybody, it's your old pal Big Papa here, Sterling Ball, Big Papa Smokers. I'm going to be making some halibut, and it's going to be on the griddle, and it's going to be citrus influenced with a little Meyer lemon vinegar, Meyer lemon olive oil, some lemon, some desert gold, and some panko. But we're going to use the parchment on the griddle. So I'm going to make this nice and crispy and golden brown and crunchy, but on a griddle. So it's going to be really fun. Let's start by getting our halibut ready. Now we have 2 pieces. So we're going to come in here and put some of this lemon olive oil. I want to put a splash of acid on this, which is the lemon vinegar. And I only have a splash left of this, but I got just the right amount. So I'm going to rub that in good. I'm going to put a little avocado oil because I'm using this now as a binder. And I got some desert gold, which has sesame, citrus, all kinds of good stuff. So I put desert gold on one side of the halibut, but I'm also going to come in here and put a healthy amount into my panko, maybe about a tablespoon. So mix that up nice and good, because we don't want the breading to be boring. There's no egg, no wash. I'm going to come in here. We're going to do the other side. The first one's ready. You know, the griddle is a lot of fun, and people really enjoy cooking on it, but they enjoy the food, but it's amazing what they're capable of. A lot of people don't understand all the things you can do, like cook a breaded fish, I do wings, I do everything on the griddle. I just love it. Look, that's not going anywhere. So we're going to put that here. Okay, we're going to go out to the griddle and we're going to cook this up, and it should be really a blast. We're going to serve it with some white rice that I've doctored a little bit and some sugar snap peas. See you outside. Let's start with the rice here because I'm going to make it crispy. A little of my safflower oil. I'm going to spread it good. And over here into the halibut zone. Now, I'm greasing the cooker, but I'm actually putting parchment down. Butter and the oil spread all the way around. Same thing with the halibut. Parchment, I won't have a sticking problem. It should be just awesome. Dome number 1, dome number 2. Set our timer for about 5 minutes and we should be golden. Loving this crispy rice. Move this over just a little bit. Crispy rice is usually kind of fun. Like a semi-Persian dish. It's looking wonderful. Let's check our temp. We'll pull us about 140. 118. 92. Time to flip. Let me put some butter down here. Butter under there. Okay. Okay, let's hit this with some desert gold. And some lemon. Woo! Don't need to do that very often. Very long, so they're coming off. Okay, here comes fun. Crispy rice. Just watch this. Just kind of slides on the plate. We are so close to done, kids. And almost done. A little temp check. Another couple minutes and we're ready for action. Okay, we've got our oiled griddle, a little butter on the parchment and oil. We did our crispy rice. We did our sugar snap peas. I've got this here, I want to see around 140. It's perfect, 137. I call that done, and I call it delicious.